Hey everyone! Welcome back to IT Next, your home for the best tech tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 in 2025 fast, easy, and step by step. Let's get started. First, click on Start and then type in Uninstall Apps. Click to open. Look for any kind of Office installed and then uninstall it before continuing. Next, open any web browser that is on your computer. Type to search config.office.com. Press Enter to continue. Now choose your architecture that you want to download. Move down. Under Office Suites, choose Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise option. Move down under Language. Choose the language that you would like to use. Move this side and then click on Export option. Choose Office Open XML format option. Click on OK. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement and then click on Export. If anything pops up, click on Keep. Click to add another tab. Now type this as it is on the screen and then press Enter. This will download the setup. Done. Now click to open the folder. Click to open local disk C. Create a new folder. Rename this as Office 365. Now, copy or drag and drop these files into the folder. Now move up here, right-click, and then copy address. Next. Click on Start. Type to search CMD. Right-click and then run this as administrator. Type in CD space, the right-click to paste the copied address. Or click here and then paste it using this method. Now press Enter on your keyboard. Type in setup.exe space /configure space configuration XML. Press Enter. The download will start. The installer will begin downloading all Office apps Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. Once downloaded, open any of installed Office to check. And that's it. Microsoft Office 365 is installed and ready to use. You can now work on documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to IT Next. We've got more awesome tech tutorials coming your way every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.